Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Shopify. To add a payment method to your Shopify store, simply follow these quick simple steps. First, launch open Shopify application from the app drawer and also log into your account. After you are logged into your main homepage of Shopify, tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. At the bottom of the menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and tap on Billing. Now, tap on the Add Payment Method button at the very top. You can then enter your payment method's information. Select your payment method from the first drop-down. Select if you want to use credit cards or PayPal as your mode of payment. On the next field, provide the rest of the information according to your selection. If you've chosen credit card, you'll need to type in your credit card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code. Go ahead and enter it in the respective text box. First, I'm going to enter the card number, which will be available right on your credit card. On the next field, type in the expiry date for your card, enter the CVV code, and then under billing address, select your country or your region from the drop-down. Enter your first name. Next, type in your last name, enter your address on the next field, and enter your city's name and its postal code. After you are done, tap on Save Card and you'll be able to add a payment method. Right after you do that, you'll be able to add a payment method for your Shopify account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.